Ever heard of the Nigerian delicacy called Akara, also popularly referred to as bean cake? You haven't? Well, today on this channel, we will be making Akara. This delicacy requires minimal ingredients, and with some quick, easy steps, we would have our delicacy ready. Let's get right into it. Remember we said we need minimal ingredients for our akara? Yes, so we have our banero pepper, our onions, and our washed beans. Yes, I took off the skin, or rather the back of the beans. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Yes, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Also like, comment, and share with your friends. In our blender, we'll be going in with the washed beans, and then we'll chop up the onions, and we're going to blend this till it's very smooth. Yes, we'll be going in with a little water. We don't want our bean to be too runny or too thick. We need it to be at the right consistency so it doesn't scatter when we start frying. I will blend this very smoothly, and then we'll take it off. If you also have a hand mixer, it's advisable you use your hand mixer to whip it up some more to incorporate air into the batter. I'll be making use of my hand whisk, and once this is done, I'll be going in with my chopped onions. I cut this into tiny little bits, and then I'll also be adding my habanero pepper. This is very hot, so I'll just be making use of a little. And then I would also be adding some salt to taste. Once this has all been added, I would give this a very good mix. I would whisk it some more to incorporate air into the batter. I would also give it a taste to ensure there's adequate salt. If there is none, you keep adding, or you add a little more until you get the right taste. I already had my frying pan on the stove top in order to heat up my oil. I don't want the oil to be too hot, and I didn't want the oil not to be hot enough. So yes, I would add in my onions to flavor the oil and also give the akara a very nice taste. And then I'll be frying the akara in little portions. Remember, we are going for golden brown. I want my akara to be golden brown, so I'm going to be checking on this consistently, and then I'll be flipping it on both sides while frying. We'll be checking in on our akara consistently to avoid the akara getting burnt. So I'm going to be flipping it on both sides to ensure both sides have the same color which I'm aiming for, which is golden brown. So if you want yours light brown, dark brown, golden brown, yes, just keep monitoring it, and once you've gotten the color you want, you can then take it off the frying pan and the oil. Yes, so I'm going to be repeating this step until I'm done frying all my batter. Yes, all the batter I blended earlier, I'll keep frying, taking off till I've fried everything. So this is a very easy step. Blend your beans, get the right consistency, fry until golden brown, and then voila, your akara is ready. now I'm going in with the last batch of my bean paste. Yes, I've fried almost everything, and this is all I have left in my pan. So I'm frying the last batch of akara. Remember, we want a golden brown color, so remember to keep checking in on the akara, flipping it on both sides, and then once it's ready, you take it off. Let me know what country or where you're watching from. Have you tried akara? If yes, what is akara? What do you refer to as akara in your language, or have you tried this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. If you haven't tried this recipe, are you open to trying this out, or will you be trying this recipe out? Let me know in the comment section as well. So we are done frying our bean paste. Our akara is ready, as you can see, golden brown color. I'm going to be having my akara with that perfect soft yummy bread. You can also pair this with some pap or custard, and it will taste yummy as well. So akara is ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.